Hi guys, I'm Taryn and welcome back to my channel. So every year in December I think to myself, I should have started planning for Christmas earlier, because suddenly in December when we're all in the Christmas spirit, we get all these ideas of personalized stockings, gift ideas, things to add to the shop, but it's too late because we're already in the busyness of Christmas, getting things together, getting the house ready, getting the decor up. So this year I was very lucky because Ronco celebrated Christmas in July, which was a competition that they held. So basically everyone was a winner, although some came up with like sewing machines and hampers and like pretty cool things. I say we all a winner because they gave us access to a whole lot of free embroidery designs, free patterns, and just a whole lot of other things that we could use in our crafting. But it also got my mind working and ready for Christmas. So in the months or the weeks leading up to Christmas, I am going to be creating a whole lot of different Christmas projects and things that I can share with you and hopefully inspire you to get your Christmas things started early. They did send me a package which I was going to open up on camera, but I couldn't wait. It's this cute little mug, and if you look here, their theme was llamas, quiver trees, and cactuses, and this is one of their really cute designs. You can also see the cute cactus in the back, and it's filled with nuts, which I don't know if it's just my family, but Christmas time we always get nuts, so I am definitely in the Christmas spirit. So thank you so much, Ronco, for sending this over to me. I just want to quickly show you some of the free designs as well as the other entries that were entered into the competition. This cute embroidery design of a llama. This is a free SVG file. Another embroidery of a cactus. This was my entry, social distance theme, can't touch this. The skirt, which is like, reminds me of a Christmas tree, and the cactus, which was obviously one of the stuff that we had to incorporate into our designs. This little basket with the embroidery design is so cute. You can see they're using it as a toilet roll holder, but I can just imagine using it for so many other things. Yeah, this is the tablet bag that I want to make. I don't have a bag for my tablet currently, so I think that would be so cute. Quiver tree embroidery design. That is so cute. I am definitely making Christmas stockings, have started with that already. So like I said, this is such great ideas, so much of Christmas inspiration, designs that you would pay a lot of money for, so I definitely recommend checking it out. I do want to show you one more. Look at these designs. So I just want to show you this. I think this would be such a great gift for somebody who loves to read, as well as just for kids, to encourage them to read. Definitely something I'm also going to look at making. Yeah, just go to their Instagram page, ronco.co.za, or go over to their website and you can just browse through all of this and email them. I think their email address is christmasinjuly@ronco.co.za. I will be able to find it for you somewhere. Okay, if I don't find it, link will be in my description box, so just check it out.